Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. Today I want to talk to you about the Data Platform Studio. This is a new tool coming out from Redgate. We're very excited about it. There's going to be a whole lot of stuff this tool does, but we're starting off pretty simple. Initially, the goal of this tool is to move your local database into the Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Now, we're really excited about this. Let me walk you through, show you what's going on with it. Now, I've got a number of jobs already set up, but what we're going to do is we're going to do a new import, brand new, just for you so you can see what happens. Now, the first thing you have to do is we do have to select a gateway. Now, the gateway is running locally on my machine, so we can connect up to that local machine and make the changes. This is a hosted service. We do almost everything in the cloud, but a little bit of it has to be done locally to get to your machine, to get to your database, to get to your data in order to move it up into Azure. Click Next. Now we have to supply the connection to the machine. Connect up to that, and then we can select the database. Now in this case, I'm going to move a really tiny little database. It's very simple, it's very quick, but it works well for the demo here. We're going to load up, and we first load everything up into blob storage because we're going to use the Polybase and the fast multi-parallel processing power of Azure SQL Data Warehouse to make the load happen as fast as possible. So we move it all up into Azure first as blobs. So I'm going to get that, click on Next. Then it's going to, I get to pick which of the Azure SQL Data Warehouses I go to. Now I've already uploaded to this one time. I've uploaded to it a few times actually. But what that means is because I've already done an import to this database, what we're doing now is a new import, and it's going to replace the existing database. So we will see a message letting us know that after it connects up to that server and validates what's there. If it had been a new database, a new data warehouse database, or a blank data warehouse database, that would have been fine. This just would have gone. But as it is, we're gonna overwrite what's there, and that's okay because we're doing this for testing. Now, once we've got everything set, it shows us where we're coming from, our local database and server, which storage account we're using, what the server name, and the Azure SQL Data Warehouse database that we're connecting to. Once that's all connected up, we click Start Import, and then it's going to first export our existing data through an extraction. Then it's going to take that data, upload it into the storage account. Now, once it's up in the storage account, it's going to go over to the Azure SQL Data Warehouse database. It's going to drop all the existing tables. It's going to create the structures necessary to import the tables, and then it's going to do the import. And it's going to happen very quickly because that is a parallel process and because this is a small amount of data. That's it. We've just completed it. That's my first import into the Azure SQL Data Warehouse using the data warehouse import facilities of the Data Platform Studio. And that is the Data Platform Studio from Redgate Software. We're very excited. It's out in beta right now. You can get your hands on it, so please take advantage of it and start moving your databases up to the Azure SQL Data Warehouse. It's exciting stuff. Thanks very much. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.